Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to check the subscriptions in OctoPerf. So what is a subscription? So subscription is the details, it will show you the details of your test and the license type and the number of tests left and number of the users you can add, number of scenarios you can create. So after logging into your project, after logging into the OctoPerf, you will have a subscription under the profile, you will have a subscription tab. So when you click the subscription tab, it will show you all subscriptions what you have. So this is subscribe plans what currently I have a free monthly, which will renewal on every month and with 50 users maximum, 20 minutes of duration maximum. We can add two scripts into our execution. So as per your plan, the count and the maximum user count and the duration count will change as per the license plan we have purchased from October. So currently I have 98 tests left for this month. So we have 98 tests left for this month and 50 euros maximum. This is a monthly subscription, monthly free subscription. So if you purchased anything, you will have if you want to subscribe anything, you can go to here. You can give the respective details here and update profile. You can you can talk with the agent by clicking here for purchasing the license, and you can add integrate your respective AWS services to your Octopus as well. So it will show if in under the shares, it will show you it will show the subscription which is shared to you, and someone has purchased the license and they shared access to you, then that will be showed in under shared access, shared one. So you can use those information. So if you have some subscriptions, still you can share those subscriptions to your plan to select a selection. Yeah, you can select this and give the email address for which user he can add it, and then that user is able to log into the Octopus and they can register. They will see your projects and your workspaces and they can use it off. Thanks for listening this.